Hi, we are from Botafogo and we are here today to show you a fun activity that you can do, parents and kids together, in a way that you can have fun and you can learn and you can create together. So today our activity is going to be how to paint an Ecobag. You need a hard paper, a pen or a pencil, a cutting knife, an Ecobag, it could be an old shirt, anything you like. Fabric ink, yellow, red and blue, the black one. A brush, a sponge. Now here we're going to draw a flower, a very simple one. You just have to be careful every time you do it to leave a little gap between each shape. So when you cut it, it doesn't come out all together. So this part's the adults are going to make, because we're going to use a cutting knife. Please be careful with the kids. So you're going to cut with something hard on the bottom, shape by shape. I did a flower now, but you have many options. So for example, you can cut in the shape of a butterfly, you can make some stars. So here we have a bag made by yourself that is colorful, beautiful, and you can use anywhere. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please comment below, like, share with your friends. We're gonna do many other videos, so follow us too. Thank you.